animal behavior and interactions. So now it's time to revise. Let's see. Name these groups of animals. Choose words from the help box. You can see there are numerous words like swarm, flock, pride, school, herd and colony. So students, you have to look at these pictures carefully and recognize the name of these groups. Now it's time to begin, so let's begin. There are so many animals around us. Many animals like to live in groups. Elephants move in large groups called herds. These herds consist of mainly female elephants and their babies. The oldest female normally acts as the leader of the group. On her death, her eldest female baby takes the leadership. Male elephant babies are allowed in the group only till they are 15 years old. The leader of the group takes care of the group members and warns them about any approaching danger. Here you can see a herd of elephants. Now the question is, why animals move in groups? Let's see the answer. There are many benefits for the animals living in groups. Some of them are, here you can see, they get warmth from each other. Young ones have a better chance of survival due to collective care of all the members. They are able to hunt a bigger prey than those not living in groups. Due to their large number, herbivores are safer from predators. Now let's do the activity. Here is, imagine you are a baby elephant living in a herd. Write a short story about a day in your life. Describe any dangers you faced and the way they were tackled. Now let's see the fascinating fact first. Ants and honeybees are called social animals. Some animals living in groups. Ants live and work together in a group. The queen ant heads the group. Her duty is to lay the eggs. Most ants in the group are the female workers. Worker ants bring food for the nest. They build and repair the nest. They also look after the baby ants and keep the nest clean. Soldier ants defend the nest by biting or stinging the enemies. Now next is honeybees. Honeybees live in hives. The queen bee lays the eggs. Worker bees collect pollen and nectar from the flowers. They also build, protect and clean the hive. The bees we usually see around us are worker bees. There are several male bees called drones in the hive. Honeybees produce honey from the nectar of flowers. Honey acts as a food for them when there is scarcity of other food. Honey is stored in complex structures called honeycombs. Usually, the honey produced is quite in excess of what is needed by them. The excess honey is taken out by humans for their consumption. Here you can see a hive. Now, it's time for the fascinating fact. Many people are involved in large-scale production of honey in man-made hives. Bees are kept in such hives in order to collect their honey and beeswax. This process is called beekeeping or apiculture. The place where bees are kept is called an apiary. Now, let's do the activity. Answer the following questions. Have you ever seen a beehive? Where was it located? Were there any bees around it? Have you ever seen any person taking out honey from a beehive? How did he do it? Is honey used in your home? What is it used for? You have to answer these questions accordingly. Now next topic is animals help each other. Kids, do you know animals also help each other? How? Let's see. Like humans, animals too help each other. You must have seen egrets sitting on buffalo's back. They get food from insects present on the buffalo's body. In return, the egret warns the buffalo about any danger. The buffalo also gets cleaned as a result. In region of Africa, the Egyptian plover flies into the mouth of the crocodile and feeds on bits of decaying meat stuck in the crocodile's teeth. The plover gets his food and the crocodile gets his teeth cleaned. Similarly, a bird called oxpecker sits on zebra and rhino and eats ticks and other insects that live on their skin. The birds get food and the animals get relief from ticks. Sometimes cats and dogs also feed and take care of babies of other animals. Now the next topic is animals and human interactions. We see many animals around us. Some animals are shy and do not like to interact with us. They run away and hide when we approach them. That's squirrel, birds and lizards are some such animals. Some animals like lion, tiger, wolf and hyena live in jungles. These cannot be made friend. These cannot be made friend. They are called wild animals. Some animals like cows, buffalo, hens, ducks are kept in our homes. They are called domestic animals. Cows and buffaloes gives us milk. Hens and ducks gives us eggs and meat. Some animals like horses, sheep, camel and pigs are kept on farms. They are called farm animals. Animals like dog, cat, fish and rabbits are kept in our homes for companionship. They are called pets. Pets are our friends. They become a part of our family. We should love and take care of our pets. We should provide them with appropriate food and shelter. We should take them to a veterinary doctor when they are sick. You can see a pet dog. So students, do you also love pets? And which pet do you have? Thank you kids. Bye-bye.